Come on, girl. Come here. This is the first time ever she's been timid. Come on, Kaya. Come on. Come on. Well, those are 6-foot high fences. Oh, it's the 23rd of January. Those are 6-foot high fences. And they are pretty much, only have a foot left. Yeah, there's 6-foot high fences there. Oh my gosh. This is what we call the barn. And those doors are obliterated 2/3. There's doves that live in there. You can see the snow pile. Oh, it's hard to see with the white, but where that line, that cable goes across is, well, let's see. There's the height of it, where that line is. On the roof there, of the sunroom. Icicles.
You're not going outside?
No, she doesn't want to go outside.
You're free.
This is the first time Kaya is finally like, I'm a little bit daunted.
No.
Well, that was... Okay, day 3 of storm. There's Gallon. And we actually have... I think it's stopped, at least for a while today. And Gallon, what did you just do all by yourself?
Put myself on the glove.
You put your gloves on all by yourself?
Yeah.
That is so cool. So, here's our drive. Again, car, Mohawk, yeah, we already got that. We have like a single car pass through.
My sunglasses.
You need your sunglasses? Let's take a look-see at our situation. So when I was able to get my car into the garage, we had received already 3 feet of snow. And now we easily have 3 feet of snow again. See? And then we have my neighbors up on their roof shoveling. And we're going to be doing more of that today. Oh, let's go back to the tree. That was 7.5 feet high. It's 6 feet of snow. And we usually have another foot. So out in Baderville we got 7 feet of snow, I would say. Oh wait, sorry. Let's see. Let me think about this. I had 5 feet. No, I'd say we got maybe total 6 feet of snow. Yep, walk around it. Okay, it's a big wet puddle. Let's go walk out to the road. Okay. We'll come out here and see what's going on. It's pretty icy on our road.
What road?
I know, what road? That's a great question, Gallon. It's decent.
What's this
Could move
road?
around. What?
What's this road?
This is our road that we live on.
Who's up there?
I think that's Reggie and Charlene.
How? How are they getting the snow
Look at
up
all
there?
the snow on their roof. It's crazy.
How are they getting up there?
Look at how tall he's probably 5'10". So he's digging off 5 feet of snow. 4 feet of snow. Wow. So cabin fever is set in for sure. I mean, it's cold. There's no real reason for me to get out, but there is. But I also want to, let's see.
How they are digging up there?
They climbed up there and they're using shovels and they're digging.
What
So,
are climbing up there with the other?
yeah. So anyway, to make things more amusing, I decided to wear Grandma's pearls. See? Let's see. You see?
Ice, Mom. Find some
Pearls in the
ice.
ears, cowboy hat, just to do it up.
Find some ice.
Just have some fun. Yeah.
I find some ice.
So there's Gallon sitting on a big ice snow mound. Oops.
Yeah.
He's easily sitting up 6 feet higher. Let's see those rosy cheeks. Hi.
Hi.
Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you like about the snow?
Having fun.
Yeah? Is it fun to do things on it?
Ooh.
Hey, why don't you have your gloves on?
How?
Are your gloves getting wet?
Yeah.
That's why you need to have your snow gloves on, honey, not your fuzzies.
Wow.
Okay, do you want to slide down and we'll go get your snow gloves? Okay, wait. Let me stand back. Okay, go for it. I'm going to actually set this up so it's like a sliding ramp for him in a little while. Pretty cool?
Wow.
You made it!
I'll do it again.
Let's get your gloves on, okay? The ones that work best for the snow.